Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am completely in love with the beauty and elegance of this 3-light bathroom light fixture. We are in the process of redoing this bathroom, and I'm so happy with the way this fixture not only illuminates our space, but also gives it a timeless and sophisticated look. I love all of the details on the metal lamp body, and I love the way the frosted glass shades make the lighting in my bathroom soft and not too overpowering. I was thoroughly impressed by the way everything came packaged. The lampshades were wrapped in bubble wrap in a sturdy styrofoam so that I didn't have to worry about anything being broken. The whole package came with everything that you would need to install this, including tools, hardware, and wire nuts. Everything had its own little place in the styrofoam, and it even came with easy-to-read directions. So easy, in fact, that I was able to do this all by myself in a relatively short amount of time. My husband did come in every now and then with a third hand. So if you're looking to add some elegance and beauty to your bathroom, bedroom, or entryway, then I highly recommend this light fixture from Keonjinn. And that's my point of view.